How to check Chromecast remote battery level. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can check your Chromecast remote's battery level. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I have a Chromecast remote over here, and if I want to basically check the battery level for my Chromecast remote, such as how much battery is actually left and when it is the time to replace. Now you can just change the battery, but if you want to find out how much level your battery really is, you can actually basically still do that. So for this, all you have to do is you can just open your Chromecast like this, and then you want to simply go to the settings icon, which is the gear icon here. Once you go to the settings icon, which is the gear icon, scroll down, go to remotes and accessories, and over here you'll be able to see your Chromecast remote, and the battery level is also quite good. As you can see over here, it is still not time to replace it. I can still use this for maybe another 6 months or so, depending upon the usage. And this way you can check your Chromecast remote's battery level. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.